Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and permissions. Check whether your iPad has Face ID or if you will use a camera plus an SDK that supports face recognition. Back up the device and enable a development or test profile to avoid data loss. Once done, assemble a small labeled dataset with explicit consent and set the privacy options in settings. These steps reduce surprises later and ensure your project is legal and reproducible before you write a single line of integration code. Next, pick your recognition engine. Use Core ML and AR Kit for native processing or add a third-party SDK via CocoaPods or Swift Package Manager. Implement a live camera session that accesses the front camera and, if available, true depth data for depth-assisted capture. Then implement preprocessing, detect the face, align landmarks, normalize lighting, and generate embeddings so the model sees consistent inputs. Make sure you handle background threads and memory. Otherwise, real-time performance will stutter and user experience will suffer. Finally, train or fine-tune your model and validate it with held-out and adversarial examples. Confirm thresholds for accept/reject rates. Integrate matching logic and store templates securely. Prefer on-device encrypted storage or an authenticated server. Test on multiple users and lighting conditions, then optimize latency by batching or quantizing the model. Make sure to add clear privacy notices and fallback authentication. If recognition fails, one key troubleshooting tip: verify camera permissions and true depth availability, then inspect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.